We're selling pottery in our online store. Link in the description.
So in this video, Elsie's going to repair her teapot that got broken. The handle got broken off before it got fired, so it's getting fired right now, and she's going to make another handle, and you'll see how we repair it. Sometimes we make stuff that we want like connected, and then it breaks or something. So
It doesn't know how to talk.
yeah. So what we're going to do is have both of them fired. We're going to glaze both of them, and we'll show you that. And then we're going to fire both of them, glaze fire them. And then we're going to try and glue it together.
It doesn't work. Whatever. Okay.
Yeah, that looks about the right size. Oh, you want this look or just...
Okay. I'll let that dry for a little bit.
You probably want to seal the cracks. Elsie's smoothing her handle right now. It's dried for a while. Have anything to say?
No. Teapot restoration is going great.
Yeah. It's the right heat, yes. I just heated it. I think this fits. Yeah, it'll fit. Perfect. Pick it right up. Don't swish it like that, then it makes bulges. So, hello. Here we are with our teapot. This is my square teapot I made, which the handle fell off. And I made another handle for it, which looks very nice. And then this is the lid. So, this is all fired, and this has been waxed, so there's no danger of it sticking to the kiln shelf. So now I'm going to be glazing it satin matte black. So here we have our finished teapot. The lid done. Actual teapot done, glazed inside and out. And I also did the handle. And these will be fired, and then we will attach the handle. So my teapot has finally got a handle on it. Handle's nice and sturdy, and this nice little lid, and the handle is a little bit messy, but it's there. So if you like this video, subscribe.